Assalamualaikum and very good morning to my class 8 students. Students, today we are starting with a new chapter in the chemistry, that is lesson number 6, combustion and flame. So dear student, let us start with the intro of the chapter. We use different kind of fuels for various purpose at home, in industry and for running the automobiles. Can you name a few fuels we use in our homes? Dear students, as soon as we wake up early in the morning, we need the breakfast. So when we want the breakfast, we are taking tea, we are taking coffee, we are taking chapatis, all this whatever we require, do we take directly or we prepare it? Yes, we prepare it. So we require any fuel for making it? Yes, we require the fuel. I hope you know that we are having either the red color cylinders or as the yellow pipeline through which the gas is available, and we are using that particular gas for cooking purpose. Is it clear? So which kind of gas we are using? We are using LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, so that is a fuel. Second, the question is over here. Name few fuels used in trade and industries. We are having many industries over there in which we are using various type of the fuels. So can you list out any fuels? We can have the use of kerosene, petrol, diesel. There are many industries which are using diesels also. What fuels are used for running automobiles? So when we talk about the automobiles, dear student, we know that we are using petrol and diesel. Petrol is used for the normal vehicles and if the engine is very heavy like truck, we are using diesels. Okay. Your list will be containing fuels like cow dung, wood, coal, charcoal, petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas, that is CNG. Also we are using LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. So full form of CNG is compressed natural gas, and etc. It means we are using number of the fuels. Now dear student, whenever we are using the fuels, we are using the fuel since morning we wake up till the night, whatever the activities we are doing, we are using the fuels. For example, for eating, we need to prepare the food. It means we are using the fuel. Suppose you want to come to school, we are going to use the vehicles. Again, vehicles are also requiring the fuels. It means that if you list out everywhere, we are using the number of fuels. So when we talk about the fuels, ultimately we talk about their combustion. So we need to understand what is combustion. You are familiar with the burning of candle. I hope everyone is knowing that how to light up the candle. So when we are using the candle, the flame is there. You are able to see the light over there. But are you able to see the light when you are burning the coal? जब आप कोल जलाते हो, कोलसा, जब आप कोल जलाते हो, तो are you able to see the light produced over there? What is the difference between the burning of the candle and the burning of a coal? Maybe you were able to guess right. Candle burns with a flame whereas coal does not. What does this mean? हम बहुत सारे फ्यूल्स यूज करते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स, और उन फ्यूल्स में से कुछ फ्यूल्स ऐसे हैं जो लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और कुछ फ्यूल्स ऐसे हैं जो लाइट प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते. ओके, सो इट इज डिपेंडिंग ओवर देयर व्हाट काइंड ऑफ द मटेरियल वी आर यूजिंग. कंबशन दोनों में हो रहा है, कोल में भी हो रहा है और कैंडल में भी हो रहा है. बट फ्लेम जो है आपका लाइट, इट इज गिवन ओनली बाय द कैंडल, नॉट बाय द कोल. We will find out the answer also for this one, that why this difference is there. Okay. Similarly, you will find many other materials burning without a flame. Let us study the chemical process of burning and the type of the flame produced during this process. So let us study in this chapter what is actually combustion and which are the materials which are producing the flame. So that is why we are learning the chapter combustion and flame, a very important chapter. See dear student, what is combustion? What is combustion? Combustion क्या है? Let us see. Recall the activity of burning of magnesium ribbon performed in the class 7. In class 7 you are having one activity in which we are burning the magnesium ribbon. So I hope that activity is shown in this 8th standard also previously, that when the magnesium ribbon is burned, it is producing white color flame. That is given in this picture particularly. You are able to see this picture. See, when we are burning the magnesium ribbon, it is producing the white color flame, and it is also producing heat energy and light energy. Okay, so what it is saying? It is saying that recall the activity that particularly we have learned that magnesium burns to form magnesium oxide and produces heat and light. तो हमें ये पता है कि मैग्नीशियम रिबन को जब हम जलाते हैं, when we are burning the magnesium ribbon, we are able to produce the white color flame. Along with that, heat is also produced. We can perform similar activity with a piece of a charcoal. हम charcoal को भी जला सकते हैं and same activity try कर सकते हैं. Hold the piece with the pair of tongues and bring it near the flame of the candle or the Bunsen burner. What do you observe? अच्छा, हम कोलसा लेते हैं ब्लैक कलर का जो आता है वो, ठीक है. I hope you are familiar with the coal. You know, we are having the train passing by over there at our particular in Bharuch. We are able to see that the train is passing and that is carrying the goods. Generally, we are able to see black color substances dumped in there. What is that black color substance? That is generally the coal which is obtained from the earth crust. Okay. Another coal, when we are burning the wood को जला देने के बाद जो ब्लैक कलर का मटेरियल रहता है, we call it as a coal. Okay, charcoal. So we are having coal and charcoal. When we are burning, when we want to burn it, what we have to do? We have to use a pair of tongues. We are using the pair of tongue to hold the vessel when the vessel is very hot, and when you want to pour the material, we are using the pair of a tongue. Similarly, we have to use the pair of a tongue to hold the piece of a coal and bring it near the Bunsen burner. See, Bunsen burner is just a name. It is a type of the burner in which already we are using the fuel. Or else you can use the candle. What you will observe? आप क्या observe करेंगे? We find that charcoal burns in air. We know that coal too burns in the air, producing carbon dioxide, heat and light. So when we are burning any particular material, dear student, we are obtaining heat energy. First is the heat energy, and sometimes we also get light energy. Not always light energy, but in certain materials we get the light energy also. Okay. Very important, or I could say most important definition. The first definition, what is combustion? So dear student, this you have to note down also. You have to remember this answer, which is very important. A chemical process in which substance react with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. A chemical process. Combustion क्या है? एक chemical process है जिसमें आपका substance, कौन सा substance? Generally fuels. Generally all the fuels. Okay. Fuels are reacting with oxygen. They are reacting with oxygen and producing heat energy. That process is called combustion. Again, a chemical process in which substance means fuels react with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. So dear student, you have to remember this. The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. Next question. आपको ये पूछा जा सकता है, what is combustion? So definition is there here. It can be also asked, what is combustible material? आपको ये पूछा जा सकता है, combustible material क्या है? तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. आपका जो भी substance जल सकता है, उसको हम क्या बुलाएंगे? Combustible material. It is also called a fuels. हम उसे fuels भी कह सकते हैं. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे जो word substance लिखा हुआ है, उसके दो और word है. It can be also called combustible material. It can also be called fuels. combustible materials. So we are able to see. Okay, I skipped this one. Sorry. The fuels may be solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, first of all, tell me the example of two solid fuels. आप मुझे ऐसे दो एग्जाम्पल दो जिसमें आपके फ्यूल सॉलिड में हो. Can you recall any particular fuels which can be in the solid state, dear students? Can you? Okay, I am giving you time. You have to give me the example of two solid fuels, two liquid fuels, and two gaseous fuels. I want you this answer in the comment section. Let us see who is giving me the correct answers. Fine, and I hope you will do it. Let us see the further. The fuel may be solid, liquid, or gas. Sometimes light is also given off during the combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. या तो लाइट फ्लेम के पोर्शन में हो सकती है या तो सिर्फ ग्लो करेगा. I will be explaining you and I will be giving you the examples and I will literally show you. So it will be very clear कि flame क्या होती है and just glow क्या होता है. That is the difference over there. Fine. In the reaction mentioned above, magnesium and charcoal are the combustible material. हमने पहले जो एग्जाम्पल्स देखे उसमें हमारा मैग्नीशियम रिबन कंबस्टिबल मटेरियल हुआ, हमारा चारकोल जो है वो कंबस्टिबल मटेरियल हुआ. सो दैट इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, डू यू नो इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू कैरेक्टर्स आर देयर. वन इज पहेली एंड वन इज बूजो. डू यू नो what are their names suggesting or what are their names for? Paheli means it is a puzzle. It is always asking a question. And boojo means उसको solve करना. ठीक है, पहेली बूजो. तो बूजो is always trying to give you the answers over there. Today what is happening? Boojo is having one statement. We were told that food is a fuel for our body. बूजो कह रहा है कि हमें तो ये बताया गया है कि हम जो खाना खाते हैं वो हमारी बॉडी के लिए फ्यूल है. इसका मतलब उसका भी कंबशन होना चाहिए, उसमें भी हीट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होनी चाहिए. राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो लेट अस सी द आंसर. हियर कम्स पहेली. राइटली सो, इन आवर बॉडी फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन बाय रिएक्शन विद ऑक्सीजन एंड हीट इज प्रोड्यूस. वी लर्न दैट इन क्लास 7. क्लास 7 में हम पढ़ चुके हैं that whatever the food we are taking, whatever the food we are eating, it is broken down into the small pieces with the help of the oxygen. तो कंबशन में भी क्या हो रहा है? Fuel is reacting with the oxygen. हम जो खाना खा रहे हैं वो भी किसके साथ रिएक्ट हो रहा है? ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट हो रहा है. एंड क्या प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है? It is producing heat. It is producing heat in our body. So fuels, we can say food is also a fuel, but food is a fuel for our body. This is the difference. Okay, dear students, there is one activity given over here. See, collect some materials like straw, matchstick, kerosene oil. We will not only say kerosene, we have to remember kerosene oil. One more important thing, dear students, in class 8 there are so many students those who are making error in writing the spelling of kerosene. Kerosene का spelling बहुत सारे बच्चे गलत लिखते हैं. So please take a care. Already the spellings are there here, correct one. Please remember that. Okay. Kerosene, paper, iron nail, stone pieces, glass, etc. We are collecting certain materials. Okay. And what we are going to do next? Under the supervision of your teacher. आपको टीचर प्रेजेंट हो ऐसे कंडीशन में ये एक्टिविटी करनी है. यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट अलोन. यू डोंट हैव टू परफॉर्म इट अलोन बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन यू आर बर्निंग समथिंग सो यू शुड बी टेकन अ प्रॉपर केयर. अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ योर टीचर ट्राई टू बर्न ईच ऑफ दिस मटेरियल वन बाय वन. टीचर के प्रेजेंस में आपको एक एक करके सारे मटेरियल को क्या करना है? जलाना है. यू हैव टू बर्न दैट. If combustion takes place, mark the material combustible, otherwise mark it non-combustible. Uncombustible नहीं. आप जो है un हर एक जगह पे लगा देते हैं. तो necessary, unnecessary. तो it is not like combustible, uncombustible नहीं, non-combustible. Is it clear? So जो भी चीजें जल जाती है, that you have to tick mark that as a combustible. जो भी चीजें नहीं जलती है, that you have to tick mark as a non-combustible. So we are given with one table. And dear students, the table is over here. Okay, you have to answer me and I will just go for telling whether it is correct or not. Wood, combustible or non-combustible? Combustible. Paper, combustible. Iron nail, हम आयरन नेल जला सकते हैं? No, non-combustible. Kerosene oil? Yes, combustible. Stone piece, can we burn it? No, we cannot burn it. Non-combustible. Straw, plastic straw, yes, it can burn. Charcoal, yes, it is also combustible. Matchstick, 101% combustible, that is what we know. Glass, non-combustible. Is it clear? So these are the list of the combustible and non-combustible materials. Now dear student, can you name some more substances which are combustible? क्या आप इसके अलावा दूसरे ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स दे सकते हैं जो combustible है? So try to make a list of the materials which can be combustible. You can add those to the table 6.1. आप उस materials को 6.1 में add कर सकते हैं. Let us investigate condition under which combustion takes place. Now dear students, this topic is very important because in this we are going to find out that when the combustion is taking place, what is very necessary over here. यहाँ पे सबसे necessary चीज़ क्या है जिसकी वजह से combustion होता है. So we are going to learn this next time. It means in our next video that what are the necessary conditions for the combustion. So I hope you will be waiting for the next video because we are going to see a very important topic. Have a good day, my dear students.